Good morning students. Welcome to the Narayana Live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment 7 of 6th class. The lesson is knowing about plants and the topic is venation transpiration. In this assignment we are going to see 6 choose the correct answers and 2 short answer questions. Now let us see what are the questions and their answers. First question. Other name of the stack of the leaf is, so leaf stack is known as sessile but not petiole. Yes, D, petiole. Other name of the stack, leaf stack. Actually leaf is this one. This is called stack. Okay. Yes, this one. This one is called petiole. Okay. Now, what is the broad expanded green part of the leaf? Broad expanded green part. This all broad expanded green part. This one. Yes, what it is called? What it is called? Leaf lamina, mainlets, pedicel, midrib. Yes, it is leaf lamina. Yeah, these all called leaf lamina. Next, parallel venation is observed in dash plants. Parallel venation. Suppose a leaf is like this. Okay. So venation means the arrangement of veins. So like this, veins are arranged like this. That means all the veinlets are parallel to main vein. So this kind of venation is seen in monocots, monocot plants. Okay. Next, reticulate venation is seen in dash plants. Reticulate venation means when the leaf is there, the veins are arranged like a network. Or web. Veins are arranged. This is called reticulate venation. This kind of venation can be seen in dicot plants. Dicot plants. Next, dash is the process of losing water from transpiration. So, excess water goes out through the holes present in the leaf. These holes are called stomata. The process is called transpiration. So, C, option C. Okay, dash is the process of losing water from plants, that is called transpiration. Now, sixth question. Identify the part in which photosynthesis takes place. In which part of the plant photosynthesis occurs? Yes, it is certainly a leaf. D. In the leaf, photosynthesis takes place. But in some of the plants, leaves are absent. In that case, the stems are green in color. So, in stem also, in certain plants in stem also, photosynthesis takes place. But here, what should we choose? Only leaf, right? Now, let us discuss about short answer questions. Seventh one. Describe the venation and types of venation. What is venation? The arrangement of veins or its veinlets in the leaf lamina is called venation. Okay? Arrangement of leaves or arrangement of veins. Arrangement of veins or veinlets. That means small veins in the leaf lamina. The leaf lamina is known as venation. Arrangement of leaves, that means arrangement of veins. Suppose this one is a leaf. So here see, these are veinlets. This is midrib, middle one is midrib and these are veinlets. See, yes, this arrangement is called venation. It is of two types. That means venation is two types. It is of two types. What are those? Number one, reticulate venation. And number two, parallel venation. What are those? Parallel venation. Reticulate venation means, see here, What is reticulate venation? Now we are going to observe reticulate venation. Reticulate venation means when the veins or veinlets are arranged in the form of web or network, this kind, it is called reticulate venation. If veins or veinlets are arranged like web or net in the leaf lamina. Yes. And what is parallel variation? Here now we are going to observe parallel variation. Parallel variation means here the veinlets are arranged parallel to one another entire leaf. That means here I am showing parallel variation. See here. Yes. This is middle one is midrib, and the veinlets are parallel to each other. Here see, parallel to each other throughout entire space of the lamina. So veins are parallel to each other. Okay. Yes. And next, last question. What is transpiration? Suppose there are a plant has number of leaves. So like this, plant has number of leaves, and you will see below the surface of the leaf, under the surface of the leaf, there are number of small pores. These are called stomatas. Through the stomata, the water, excess water from the plant goes outside in the form of water vapor. Okay, that process is called transpiration. What is transpiration? The process of sending out of excess water through small pores present in the leaves in the form of water vapor. Is known as transpiration. So transpiration means nothing but sending out excess water in the form of water vapor through the holes present in the leaves of the plant. So this is the key of today's assignment.